Hi and welcome to 3 Minutes On. This week we have Michael Dyer talking about Agile project management.
So I'm here to talk to you about Agile project management and how it differs from waterfall project management. It was invented around 1986 by a couple of Japanese fellows, Nanuchi and Takeuchi. They were researching manufacturing processes to chain manufacturers and restaurants. They came up with the rugby method, a method of collaboration in order to meet their goals, as opposed to a very linear train of thought where you have individuals performing tasks. 10 years later, this is picked up by these two Texans in a conference in the United States, and they adapted it and renamed it Agile projects. I mean, the Agile methodology isn't ideal for every project. Ideally, you would have to be in an environment where you have a close-knit collaborative team, a cross-functional team, ideally all under the same roof. Agile project management focuses more on the resource, more on the communication of individuals as opposed to the process and the documentation. One way we can look at it, I'll use the Farmer Joe analogy. You have a project where you want to build a vegetable farm. For that vegetable farm, you want 3 plots. And on those 3 plots, you're going to grow sweet peppers, potatoes, aubergines. A traditional project manager will lay a plan for this project as follows. In phase 1, they lay down the dirt in each plot. Second phase, they'll lay down the relevant fertilizer. Third phase, they then plant the seeds. The Agile project manager will split the project into a minimal viable product. The very least you could deliver to the end user and still have a viable, usable product at the end of it, that being a vegetable. In the first phase or sprint of this project, they would decide to lay down the dirt, plant the relevant fertilizer for those sweet peppers, and then plant down the seeds. And then by the end of that project, you have 1 plot of vegetables which you're able to sell. With the traditional approach, you may run into issues with costs. If you run out of money or time, you've got no product at the end of it. If you're following an Agile approach, you'd have sweet peppers, and then you may discover that the sweet peppers have taken off very well, and you decide to, rather than plant aubergines, you may just stick with those peppers. Then makes it a lot easier and a lot faster for you to make that amendment to your project. And it also simplifies the task at hand, because you've already have experience of building a farm of peppers. With traditional methods, you're going through a project phasically. You don't have a finished product at the end of any given phase. With the Agile approach and your close relationship with stakeholders, you're much more adaptable to change. Just think of Agile project management in this way: develop, inspect, adapt. The key is to fail quickly, learn quickly, and make adjustments.
Thanks, Michael. And if you'd like to learn more about Agile project management, there are links in the description. If you'd like to speak for 3 minutes on something, email amy@3minuteson.com, or if you've got an idea for a video we should make, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for new videos every Tuesday.